Hi everyone, it's Jess. I'm so excited. I got my Cricut Explore Air. It's the Leah Griffith exclusive bundle. And so I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you. So here it goes. I'm going to open the box. I've never done an unboxing video before, so this is kind of a first. So here's the Start Here package. This has all of our instructions for your computer and your iPad and everything. And we've got cardstock, some gray pieces and a blue piece. I think I already bent it all a little bit. Oops. And then we've got transfer. So I think this is fabric transfer. Iron-on transfer, yeah. It's for fabric. Okay, so put that all back in there. Because I'll read this later. And then take that out. Alright, here it is. How fancy. And the little case it comes in. So exciting. Okay. The rest of the stuff that's in the box is the cords, the pen, and 2 mats. And that looks like everything. So I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, I moved the box. Now it's time to take out the Cricut Explore. That is a cool fancy bag. Take out the packaging. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this color. Just love it. Okay, let's open it up. Yay!